Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today for a quick tutorial on how to use our Speak Up thematic template. This specific template is formatted for use with the Speak Up 2018-2019 online data reports and is an organized way to view your data across audiences and themes. So let's get started. The first step is downloading the thematic report, which can be found on our data template page at tomorrow.org/speakup. Once you get to the page, go to the top toolbar and click on Data Findings. Here you'll click on Participant Data Reports. This will bring you to our main View Speak Up Data page. This page has access to all past Speak Up online data report years. So to get there, you would just go click on this tab and pick your specific year. We'll come back to that in a second. But for now, go to number 6 and click on the link for here to get to your data template page. On the data template page, this will be our page where we upload all of our data templates for our district primary contacts and school contacts. Here you will find Excel, infographic, and PowerPoint templates, as well as data and discussion guides. The majority of these guides will be uploaded in March and in April. But for now, here, go to Master Thematic Template and click on it, and it'll automatically download the report for you. So once that's done, you'll want to click Open Your Report, and it'll bring you to an instructions page. This instructions page, it'll have all the step-by-step instructions for how to access your reports, as well as how to drop all your data into this template. So you can come back here for reference if needed. The next step is you are going to go and log in to access your reports. We can go back to that View Data Reports page and get there from here, or you can go, if you're a primary contact, and log into your admin profile at speakup.tomorrow.org/adminlogin.aspx. So for first, I'm just going to start here and show you an example. Once you get to the administrator login page, enter your credentials. This will bring you to your administrator profile page, and from there you would pick from your option of View District Data Results or View School District or School Data Results, and it'll bring up your data results page. Note this is the district report page, so it is a little bit different than the school page, but it all has the same functions. And for this specific template, you'll be just using column 1 for number of district or school surveys. So once you have this page open, you're all set to go. Real quick, I will go back to our view data page and go over how to get in through this process. This is helpful for non-primary contacts, or if you would like to share your data with others at your school or district, you can give them this link and they can go in and pull your school or district data using an administrative password that you provide. If you're a school, you can give out your school admin password. If you're a district primary contact, you can go assign schools a school-specific admin password that they can use to only access their school data. The district admin password will work to access all reports. So for this example, I'm just going to do district. You would pick from district or school right here, depending on the report you'd like to view. I'm going to view a district report. So you can just enter in any part of your school or district name, and it will come up on the next page. So there's my district right there. Again, you have to enter in the admin password. So this will bring up the same page. So we'll work from here. Once you have this page up, go and pull up your thematic template. And real quick, I'll go over the thematic template for you. We created this template as a way to view your data across audiences and by themes. Here's a quick little example of our profile tab. For the themes, we have different themes for you. We have main themes as well as sub-themes. So for our main themes, we have profile, we have environment, which is in green. For environment, we have sub-themes of tech use, school climate, social emotional learning, models, and access. In light blue, we have strategic planning. This includes sub-themes of tech value, tech challenges, tech aspirations, funding and return on investment, data usage, professional development, and school safety. We have the main theme of emerging tech, which includes the sub-theme of mobile, online learning, digital content, and digital media, which includes social media. And in red, we have student preparation, which is college and career readiness skills, career interests, digital citizenship, coding, and STEAM. And our last major theme is communications. Each of these main theme tabs include all of the sub-themes. So for example, this environment one would have the themes of tech use, school climate, social emotional learning, models, and access. If you want to view it all right there, or if you want to drill down a little bit further and just look at tech use, click on that tech use tab. So from here, to import your data, go to the yellow tabs at the end. These are all the tabs for audience-specific reports. So for this example, I'm going to start with using grade K2. So we go over here. I'm going to format it just so it's easy to drop in them side by side. You go to your online report, and the surveys are organized by audience here, but just note that sometimes the audiences in the surveys are a little bit out of order compared to what's in the Excel template. So just make sure that you're pulling the right report. So this one, we're going to go to grade K2, which is 648, and click on it. And so from here, what you're going to do is you're going to want to start by copying exactly from results base all the way down. The reason that you want to do that is that we have populated the data to go into different tabs by using this exact format. So you want to make sure that you're copying exactly the same way. So just copy all the way down to the last percentage there and just paste it right in. Once you do that, it automatically populates your data into the different tabs, you can see. And then you just repeat those steps until you're done. So we'll do one more here. And just a note, there is a return button, or you can use the back buttons, but we suggest using the return button. So just, again, just copy from results based all the way down and paste it in. One thing I do want to note is that for grade K2, grade 3-5, parents and community, there are group reports as well. You have the option of picking any of these versions to drop in, but they'll only populate one version. So you can pick and choose what you want to use, but if you want to have all your data in one place, you could copy the tab. And just write group. And then copy and paste your data in. This won't populate into the report, but at least all your data will be in one spot. So that's just to note if you want to do that. But once you're done, you can just open up your reports. I did all the other reports already, and I'll show you an example here. You can go look at profile, and you can see all the data is populated in from copying and pasting in those reports. Now, I did do an example of where it doesn't, if you didn't copy and paste it right, you would see a percentage sign or data that looks not right. So that's how you know that you didn't drop it in right, if it's not showing up there right. So one thing that you can also do is if you didn't have any reports with data, you can just delete those columns. So for example, this report did not have district administrators or grade 9-12. So I'm just going to delete those columns so I'm looking at all of the right data. So that's it. That's how you drop in your data into your thematic report so you could look at data across audiences and by themes. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to contact us at speakup@tomorrow.org or give us a call at 949-609-4660, extension 17. Thanks again. Bye.